Welcome back, YouTube. We're gonna have another video today. I'm hosting a road meet this morning. It's Sunday. There's nothing to do, so let's go do something. So I got a couple fast guys coming out. I got a boosted M240 coming out. That's a big turbo V58. I got a Bergzilla, that's my boy, twin turbo Z. I got my boy with the GTR coming out. I got a bunch of cars coming out. It should be a good turnout. My car, I don't know how it's gonna do today. Hopefully I get some good runs in. We're still on 20 pounds of boost. I haven't turned it up. I want to, but I don't know what the transmission is gonna do. I wanted to go up to 25 pounds at least, just to see how the transmission handles. But yeah, we're gonna go to the E85 station right now. We're gonna fuel up, and then we're on our way to Mexico. Yeah, we're at the meetup spot with my boys. Watch here. We got the Supra. Yo, my boys rap go crazy. Look at this. Man. Twinning? Boosted M240i. Okay, I see you, man. Out here. Damn. Davis car.
Actually, it's fucking dirty as shit.
Yeah, I never seen this.
Is it at a residence, you know?
Alright guys, we're headed to a spot. We got boosted M240 out here with this big single turbo 240i. We got my boy twin turbo Z. We got a Supra. We got two single turbo M54s. Two B58s as well. GTR. We got Corvettes out here. Should be good runs, man. They all make power, so we'll see how we handle. Oh yeah, great turnout, great turnout. This is my boy Byron.
You wanna try it?
Bro, where you been at?
Shit,
busy, bro.
About to run my boy's twin turbo Z right now.
60s still?
Yeah. Alright, my boy. Yo, I'm about to run a fast Vette right now. It's a C7. I don't know what it has done, but it's pretty fast, so I'll take my chances with it.